guys, no? Welcome to my YouTube channel guys. For today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano kumita sa site na to guys. Ito ang OKETRX. Lagyan nyo guys dito yung mobile number, login password, security password, invite code, and attach nyo po yung letter dito. Then click nyo po guys yung sign up. So yun guys, nakalagin na po tayo guys. So click mo natin to guys yung announcement. OKETRX Top 10 Global Mining Basis. OKETRX Top 10 Global Mining Basis mine number 1 next to GR Callaway Highway Station in the Upper Columbia River, Washington State, Northern United States. Mine number 2 next to Tocori Highway Station in Northern Brazil. Zambezi River, Zimbabwe next to Boshewer Station to Mozambique. Mine number 4 is the lower reaches to Tojandens River in the Amazon region of Northern Brazil, adjacent to the Tuchebo Power Station. Mine number 5 next to Tacoma Highway Station on the lower Corona River in Valenzuela. Mine number 6 Upper Parana River near Paraguay, Brazil next to Itaipu Power Station. Mine number 7 next to the nuclear power plant in Kelgar, Karataka, India in the banks of the Calenda River. Mine number 8 Upper Xingu River in the lower Amazon River, Brazil next to Meishan Highway Station. My number 8 next to Jioliciao Station in eastern Venezuela. My number 10 Upper Yenisei River in Siberia near Sayan Sonshek Highway Power Station. OKETRX announcement. Welcome to OKETRX, a company with 180 TRX mines and over 3 million mining machines worldwide. Investor covered the world and continue to expand production capacity. The parent company behind it is Singapore Consortium, strong financial strength. OKETRX white paper. Register now to get 1,000 TRX mining power. The daily mining income is 5%. Like professional mining integrity company seeking the only official link. May Telegram official customer service, the only official website. After registration, there are 2 accounts: basic account and promotion account. Basic account, minimum invest of 5 TRX, lifetime withdrawal. The more investment, the greater income. Recommended recharge in get rich reward. When your level 1 is deposit, you can get 10% commission. When your level 2 is deposit, you can get 5% commission. When your level 3 is deposit, you can get 2% commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 1, you can get 10 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 2, you can get 5 TRX commission. When you deposit 100 TRX in level 3, you can get 2 TRX commission. Bonuses can be withdrawn immediately without any restriction. Top up your business account from 5 TRX to 30,000 TRX with withdraw 3% per day. So yung guys, na ito yung mga pwede nating makuha sa pag-deposit natin and i-withdraw natin guys. How to earn promotional account revenue. Share your sign up link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or recommended to friends around you after someone sign up to invest. The commission is high as 17%. Every time you refer friend A to sign up, friend A recommends friend B to sign up, and friend B recommends friend C to sign up. If they invest directly, you will get 10% of A's investment, 5% of B investment, and 2% of investment percent. These rewards will be credited to your promotional wallet. The TRX is in the promotion account can be fully withdrawn on the same day, or it can be directly invested in the basic account and withdrawn for life. So yan guys, nandito nga tayo sa ating site guys, ang OKETRX. Meron tayong total balance na 1,007 TRX guys, VIP level 1. So yun guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating trading. So yun guys, no, trading profit, 24-hour settlement, 550.30 TRX, plus 5% cloud mining is working. So yun guys, no, magtutungo tayo dito sa ating product list. So yun guys, no, OKETRX mine number 1, daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. OKETRX mine number 3, daily rate 3%, cycle 30 days. OKETRX mine number 10, daily rate 5%, cycle 90 days. OKETRX mine number 5, daily rate 6%, cycle 120 days. OKETRX mine number 8, daily rate 7%, cycle 150 days. Okay, in my number 2 daily rate 8%, cycle 180 days. Okay, ETRX minor number 7, daily rate 13.5, cycle 360 days. So yun guys, pagtapos natin ito guys na magtutungo tayo sa ating share. So yun guys no, invite your contacts or friends and earn rewards. So yun guys no, gagawin natin ito guys no, ikakopy natin yung links guys, then pwede natin ito ipasa sa ating mga friends sa Facebook, Twitter, sa Messenger, in Instagram. So yun guys no, pagtapos nito guys no, magtutungo tayo sa ating mine. So yun guys no, meron total balance na 1,007,007 TRX VIP level 1. So yun guys, meron tayong deposit withdraw. So yun guys, tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano tayo mag-deposit. So yun guys no, meron dito transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. Investment is divided into two modes. One, recharge to basic account and receive income according to Singapore time zone up to 24 hours every day. To recharge, number 2, recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal income upon maturity. View notes. Before investing, please choose a basic account or a promotion account to invest according to your investment needs. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is very critical issue guys. So click natin to guys ng transfer basic account guys. So yun guys, nandito nga tayo sa transfer to basic account guys. So ang gagawin natin guys is kakopy natin yung copy address guys. So pagtas nito guys i-copy guys, magtutungo tayo sa ating Binance. So yun guys, nandito nga tayo sa ating Binance guys no. So paano nga ba tayo makaka-withdraw dito guys? Withdraw. I-click natin tong wallets. So yun guys, nandito tayo sa ating wallets guys no. Meron tayong deposit guys, withdraw, transfer. So yun guys, click natin yung withdraw. So yun guys, pag nandito sa withdraw guys, no, click natin itong TRX. Send via crypto network. So yun guys, no, ilong press natin guys yung nakuha nating link sa site natin. Natin yung amount guys. Tingnan confirm guys. So yun guys, no, meron yung verification guys, dito i-send ng code natin sa number natin guys, no, mag-code yung isang code naman mag-send na sa ating Gmail guys. So pag nakuha natin yung dalawang code natin guys, lagayin po natin dito, then click po natin yung submit guys. So yun guys no, request submitted guys no. Napaka-legit talaga ng apps na to guys. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys, mag-sign up na kayo guys. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell guys para update kayo sa aking video.